How to connect Bluetooth wireless earbuds to Android phone. So if you want to connect Bluetooth wireless earbuds to your Android phone, then first make sure that you've turned on the Bluetooth wireless earbuds. Make sure that it is turned on. After that, you need to just go with your control center, and here also you need to make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on. So tap and hold on to your Bluetooth, go with more Bluetooth devices. And now you need to just select the device that you would like to connect. So if it is already paired previously, then you will have the names right here. You can just simply tap on the name of that wireless Bluetooth device and you can connect it. Or if it's a new device, then you can scroll down and you will have an option to add a new Bluetooth device. So you can tap on new Bluetooth device and then you can add it. But if you've added previously, then you just need to simply tap on that Bluetooth device and it will be connected. So you will have connect option right here. Tap on connect under that name and Bluetooth device will be connected. That's how you can connect your Bluetooth wireless earbuds to your Android phone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.